It's the GetMint Content Studio. So I'm logging into my GetMint platform and I'm going into Content Studio. I'll go directly into Content Gaps under Opportunities, which shows me the best opportunities to increase my visibility across the portfolio of prompts I want to rank for. Here, I'm going to select this prompt and I'm going to launch the analysis. Here, GetMint will carefully review all of the core sources that were consulted by the models following this prompt and will determine the depth and subject coverage of these core sources, the data structure, and the top keywords, notably also by looking up keyword traffic, specifically in Google. Then, after this thorough analysis, it's going to generate a brief for me that I'll be able to work on using the GetMint tool. This ensures I have a solid foundation and all the necessary information to proceed effectively with my work. GetMint suggests a title, different content templates to create, and a word count. I have an expert mode, if I'm an expert in SEO and GEO, to access all the settings where I can strengthen my GEO and my SEO. I am able to customize and adjust my tone of voice depending on the specific personas I want to reach, the detailed search intent description, the featured snippet targets, and the particular questions I want to answer. I can also incorporate secondary keywords and add internal links to redirect readers to some of the content that I have already created for certain keywords. And then I'm going to carefully focus on the content structure. I'll be able to add expertise, which can be documents that I'll be able to upload. It could be internal company information, internal data, but I can also call on an expert, whether it's an internal colleague, or if I don't have the expertise in-house, I can call on someone external who I know can provide that expertise. I invite them to collaborate. They will be able to be invited and also provide their expertise in order to help create the highest quality brief and thus generate truly high quality content. We can see it here, the content has been generated. I can interact and iterate here with the GetMint agent simply by telling it that this particular paragraph does not suit me. We can see that all of the data and content are directly inspired by the overall structure and subject coverage from the core source analysis, with helpful links to authoritative sites included as references. And then I'll be able to copy and paste this content